Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is Introduction to Trigonometry. And in that class we take and solve some important questions related to your topic. And in previous class we take and discuss a very important topic, means we discuss about the questions based on a trigonometry ratio of some particular angles, like in previous class we discussed about the value of sine 30, sine 60, sine 45 and dot so on, and we discuss all the values of all six trigonometric ratio for particular angles: 30 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 0 degree. So please, I hope you learn all these values and solve your some important question of your NCERT exam based on that topic. Now in today class we take some questions based on that topic. Then after we discuss about the trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Okay, now so first we take some important question based on previous topic which we discussed in previous class. So let's see. Some question is, what if theta is an acute angle? Your question is, if theta is an acute angle, if duration theta is an acute angle and sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, find the value of find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. This is your question here. This is one of the most important question. Okay, so let's see its solution. Dear students, here theta is an acute angle and a very important relation given here, which is what? So first of all we write given is what? Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, now we can write as sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1. If we multiply then we get that result. Okay, and you know that the formula, you know that since tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, we already discussed about that formula. So from there we can write as tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to what? 1, because of sin theta upon cos theta is what? Tan theta. Now here tan theta is equal to 1, then we can write as tan theta is equal to 1. You know that the value of tan 45 degree is 1. So please dear student, first of all you learn that chart which we discussed in previous class, then after you can solve that type of questions. So please learn each and every value of trigonometric ratio of particular angles. So here 1 is there, so we write as tan 45 degree. Okay, tan 45 degree. Now comparing both sides, so we get theta is equal to 45 degree, which is less than 90. Less than 90 means that theta here, according to question, theta is an acute angle, means less than 90. So we calculate from the given relation the value of theta is what? 45. Now we just find the value of this expression, so we just put the value of theta in that expression and simplify and we get our result. So let's see. So thus we write tan 2 into tan square theta plus the value of plus sin square theta minus 1 is equal to, we put 2 into tan 45 degree square plus sin square 45 degree and minus 1. Now we simplify them. So 2 into, you know that the value of tan 45 degree is 1. The value of tan 45 degree is 1 and the value of sin 45 degree is 1 upon under root 2. So here we put as 2 into 1 square Okay, plus the value of sin 45 is 1 upon under root 2 whole square minus 1. Now we simplify them, so we get 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 2, because of 1 upon square root 2 na, so if you squaring then we get 1 upon 2 and minus 1, so we get 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, that 2 minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2, means what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is our required solution of the given question. Okay, so dear student, in this way you can solve that type of question. This is a very important question, so please dear students do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now we take and solve some other important questions based on trigonometric ratios. Let's see dear students. Now you are taking a very important question based on this topic. Your question is, if A is equal to, if A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60 degree, verify that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, this is your question here. So what is the process to solve that type of questions? Dear student, let's see its solution. So first of all, we have to verify this, and this is equal to this. So we have, dear students, we have angle A is equal to 30 degree and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Now we take the left hand side of the given expression. So take LHS, which is what? Sin A plus B. Now we put the value of angle A and B, so we get sin of 30 degree plus 60 degree, which is what? Sin 60 30 is what? 90 degree, and you know that the value of sin 90 is what? 1. So here we have is equal to 1. The value of sin A plus B is 1. Okay, now we take right hand side. Now we take right hand side, which is what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin. Now we put the value of angle A and angle B, so we get sin of angle A is what? 30 degree into cos angle B is what? 60 degree plus cos of angle A is what? 30 degree into sin of angle B is what? 60 degree. Okay, so this is the expressions here. Okay, now we just put the values of each and every trigonometry ratio for that particular. Sin of 30 degrees is 1 upon 2. Cos 60 is also equal to 1 upon 2. Cos 30 is under root 3 by 2 into the value of sin 60 is under root 3 by 2. Now we simplify them. So first of all, you learn all these values. Okay, so we get 1 upon 4 plus root 3 into root 3, that is 3 upon 2 to the 4. So 1 plus we take LCM as 4. So this 3 1 4 upon 4 is 1. So thus LHS is equal to 1 and RHS is also equal to 1. Thus LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. Okay. So So this is the method, dear students, to solve that type of question. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question and complete. So first you learn all the important uh, value, all the important formula chart in sine of 30, sine of 60, tan 60, tan 45, and then after you can solve that type of questions. Okay, now we take and discuss the next topic of your chapter is, let's see. Now we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratios. The topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay. You know that. So in that topic there are some important formulas. So please learn that formula which we discuss right now. Complementary angle. You know that if there are two angles are said to be complementary, their sum of measures is what? 90 degree. So important formula there is what? Important formulas. First one sine 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Second, cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. Third, dear students, tan 90 minus sec 90 minus theta. This is cosec theta. Fourth, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Fifth, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. 6, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So these are 6 very important formulas related to the topic trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. So in this way we can say that cos is the complementary of sine, sine is the complementary of cos, cosec is the complementary of sec, sec is the complementary of cosec, cot is complementary of tan, and tan is complementary of cot. So this is very easy formula. So please just learn all these formula. Then after you can solve each and every question based on these topics. Okay. So these are very useful and important formula related to your topic trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. So please just first of all you learn all these formula. Let's see. Okay. Now, so based on that formula, we solve so many questions like that. Suppose we evaluate cos 37 degree upon sin 53 degree. Though what I do, so here we applied that complementary formula. Now let's see. Dear student, we write cos 37 as cos 90 minus 53. If we subtracting 53 from 90, then we get what? 37. Okay, upon sin 53 degree, right as it is. Now we can, this is the formula based on that. Look at this formula. So cos 90, this is angle theta. So cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. So we can write sin 53 degree, sin 53 degree, and sin 53 degree, right as it is. Now cancel to each other, so we get what? 1. So this is the required solution. So in this way you use all that formula, okay, and apply that formula on that type of question, and you complete your questions, solving your questions. So please just first of all you learn that formula, then after you can solve each and every questions related to the topic trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Now we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see, dear friends. The question is, let's see the question. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following. First is what? Tan 45 degree 54 degree upon cot 36 degree. Second one, cosec 32 degree upon sec 58 degree. Third one, sin 39 degree minus cos 51 degree. Fourth one, cos square 13 degree minus sin square 70 degree. And fifth one is what? Sin 36 degree upon cos 54 degree minus sin 54 degree upon cos 36 degree. These are the questions based on the formula trigonometry ratios for complementary angles. So these are very important questions of your syllabus based on that topic, that formula. Now we take and solve one by one. Okay, let's see. So first of all, we take the solution, first part of this question. So first of all, we have tan 54 degree upon cot 36 degree. Tan 54 degree upon cot 36 degree. So what I do for that? So first of all, you observe that here these are the complementary. Both the angles 44 and 36 are complementary to each other because of their sum of measures is 190. So here we apply the concept of complementary angles. Okay, so for that we can write as tan 90 minus 36. We can write tan 45 for 54 as tan 90 minus 36 because of, if we subtracting them, then we get 54. Okay, and we write cot 36 degree as it is. You convert only one of them, either tan 54 or cot 36. Okay, so we convert tan, we can write tan 90 minus 36 and we write cos 36 as it is. And since we know that tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. This is the formula which we discussed. So here theta is what? 36 na? This is 90, so we can write tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So here we can write tan 36 because of here theta is what? 36 degree, so we can write tan 36 upon cot 36 na, because tan 90 minus cot theta is it, so we can write cot 36 degree and cos here we write cot, this is cot 36 degree, right as it is. Now cot 36 cancel to each other and we get 1. This is the required solution. So in the same way you can solve each and every question of each part of that question. Now let's see. Now take and solve the second part of that question. We apply the same concept here. Let's see. We can write, dear friends, we take the second part of this question, which is what? Cosec 32 upon sec 58 degree. Now let's see. Here 32 and 58 are also complementary angles because of their sum of measures is what? Their sum of measures is 90 degree. Now we can convert one of them, either cosec theta or sec theta. So we convert cosec 32. Let's see. So we can write cosec 90 minus 58 because of we subtract 58 from 90, so then we get cosec 32. So we can write cosec 32 in this way also. Now and in denominator we write as it is sec 58 degree. Okay, now look, this one we know that since you know that cosec 90 minus theta is what? Sec theta. Here theta is what? 58 degree. So we can write sec 58 degree upon here sec 58 degree, write as it is. Now sec 58 sec 58 what? Cancel to each other. So we get 1. This is the required solution. Okay. So in this way you use and apply that formulas. Okay. Now we take and solve the third part of this question. Let's see. We take and solve the third part of this question. We have degree. Okay, now so we can write as sine 39. So we convert sine or cos. Okay, because here 39 and 51 are complementary to each other, na? Are complementary to, so we can convert one of them. So we can write sine 90 minus 51 degree. We can write, na? Because if we subtract 50, we subtract 51 from 90, so we get sine 39. So in this way we can write in this way also, and minus cos 51 write as it is. Since we know that sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So here theta is 51, so we can write sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so we can write cos 51 degree, and here cos 51 degree is right as it is. Now cos 51 cancel to each other, so we get 0. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, we apply the formula and we simplify them. Okay, now we take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. So we take and solve the fourth part of this question, which is first of we have cos square 13 degree minus sin square 77 degree. This is also the complementary angle. Let's see, 13 and 77. Both are the complementary to each other. These are, now we can convert one of them. So we can write as cos square 90 minus 77. If we subtract 77 from 90, so we get 13. And minus sin square 77 degree, right as it is. Okay. And just you know that you write here nice cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. So here we can write sin square, here square na, so sin square 77 degree and minus sin square 77 degree, right as it is. Now these are cancelled to each other, so we get what? 0. This is the required solution. Okay. So in this is the solution of that question. So using that concept you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve the last part of this question. Let's see. And last part of this question is the fifth part. So first of all we write we have what we have sine, so we have as sine 36 degree upon cos 54 degree minus sine 54 degree upon cos 36 degree. Now we can convert, both are the supplementary to each other, so we convert one of them. So we can write as sine 36 is right of sine 90 minus 54 degree, and we write cos 54 as it is. Okay, minus we write sine 54 as sine 90 minus 36 and cos 36 degree, right as it is. And just you know that the sine 90 minus theta cos theta and cos 90 minus theta sin theta, so we can write cos 54 upon cos 54 degree minus cos 36 degree upon cos 36 degree. So cos 54 cancel, to we get 1. These are also cancelled with, so we get 1. So we have 1 minus 1, that is what? 0. This is the required solution. Okay. Thus, in this way, you can solve that type of questions based on the trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take and simplify. Evaluate. Your question is evaluate and your expression is distance sin 70 degree upon cos 20 degree plus cosec 20 degree upon sec 70 minus 2 cos 70 degree into cosec 20 degree. Now let's see. So these are the question which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now let's see its solution. So here let's see, if we observe each part of that question, so we observe that here both these angles and these two angles also are complementary angles. So here we apply the concept of complementary angle of trigonometry ratio. So we can write sin 70 degree as what? Sin 90 minus 20 we can write na. If we subtract 20 from 90, so we get sin 70, and here we write cos 20 degree as it is. Okay, same process, same method applying second part of that question. Cosec 20, so cosec 20 we can write cosec 90 minus 70 degree, and upon sec 70 degree write as it is, minus 2 into, we convert 70, so we can write cos 90 minus 70 degree 20 degree, sorry, and into cosec 20 write as it is. Okay, now since we know that, dear friends, since sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. We know all that formulas, so here we apply that formula. Let's see. So here we can write sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, and theta is here what? 20 degree, so we write cos 20 degree, and cos 20 degree write as it is, plus cosec 90 minus theta is what? Sec theta, here theta is 70, so we can write sec 70 degree upon sec 70 degree write as it is, minus 2 into cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta, so here theta is 20, so we can write sin 20, and into cosec 20 write as it is. Okay, now here let's see, cancel 2, these are cancelled 2 just, so 1 plus 1 minus 2 into, that since sin theta is equal to what? 1 upon cosec theta na, so here we write 2 into 1 upon cosec 20 degree into cosec 20 write as it is. These are also cancelled to each other, so we get 2 minus 2 cancelled, so we get 0. This is your complete answer. Okay, so in this way, you can simplify that type of question. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, dear friends, these are very important questions of you and your upcoming examination. Thus, dear friend, in this way, in today's class we take some important question based on that topic. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on